In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradingView alerts. Now, if you're someone who spends a lot of time analyzing charts, you know that keeping track of every price movement can be quite overwhelming. That's where alerts come in handy, making your trading experience far more efficient by notifying you when a particular price is reached without you needing to constantly watch your screen. First things first, let's talk about opening your chart. To start the process, make sure you're logged into TradingView and are on the platform's main dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the specific chart that displays the financial instrument you're interested in tracking. Now, this could be anything from stocks to forex pairs, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies, depending on what you're trading. Once you have your chart open, take a moment to examine the price movements and patterns. Understanding price action is key to making informed decisions about where and when to set alerts. Now, let's move on to the next step: setting an alert. To do this, you'll need to identify the price level at which you want to be notified. This is crucial, as you'll want the alert to trigger at a point that aligns with your trading strategy. For instance, this may be a resistance level, a support level, or a specific price point that you've determined to be significant. Once you have this price in mind, hover your cursor over that specific point on the chart. With your target price in sight, it's time to engage in the process of actually creating the alert. Simply right-click on the chart directly at the price level you've identified. This action will bring up a context menu, offering a variety of options. Look for the option that says Add Alert, which is usually quite prominent in this menu. Click on Add Alert to begin setting the parameters for your notification. Upon clicking, a dialog box will appear, providing you with a range of customizable settings for your alert. Take a moment to review these options and set them according to your specific needs. You can configure how often the alert should trigger, whether it's once, every time the price is hit, or even at specified intervals. Additionally, you have the opportunity to define how you want to be notified. TradingView offers several choices, such as email alerts, SMS, or even phone notifications if available in your region. These flexibility options ensure that you won't miss the critical price movements relevant to your trading strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully set a TradingView alert. With alerts in place, you can rely on real-time notifications to inform you of important price changes, enabling you to focus on executing your trades more effectively and with greater confidence. Whether you're trading full-time or balancing trading with other commitments, alerts are an indispensable feature that can greatly enhance your trading journey.